Irfan 2 in for Mubarak.
White ball.
Swing and a miss. Oh, it's called a white. The umpire was hesitant to call it white, but eventually he did. So they start with the 4 runs on the board. Irfan coming right arm over to Mubarak. Another white ball down the leg. So it's a nervous times for bowlers and batsmen, especially when you play in the semi-final. Very important to keep your nerves. Hold your nerves. Good comeback from Irfan. Only 1 run.
Randy, you watch and play.
So far 9 runs off 3 balls. Irfan, is it going to be good? Yes, it's gone. The prize wicket of Rizni. Irfan got the prize wicket of Rizni.
Majan, not to that. Ajay, well done, Ajay.
Ajay, what a fielder. I'm sure this is a game changer.
Well done, Irfan. Keep going. Keep it up. You can get another one.
I can see all the Icknield Lions, the team all pumped up.
Well done, bro. Well done.
It's good to have that, the faith that they can beat this Mubarak and the team. Nalim is to the crease. Last ball of the over. Irfan to Nalim. Bowled in! 2 wickets in, 1 over. Along the ground. No. Riyaz sails Mubarak back sensibly. It's no risk worth taking at this stage.
White ball.
A white ball, 4 runs. Riyaz was a key performer in the last match. Another swing and a miss.
Play again. Let it. How many balls? 2 to go. 2 to come, White ball.
Another white.
Last ball.
So end of the day, if you look at our statistics, the wide is the highest scorer. What a ball, another dot ball. I'm sure Icknield Lions will do anything to get Mubarak out at this stage. Can he get it? No, he's after it. Can he get it? They are sensing the victory already. Only in the 3rd over. What a catch. Reynolds has to make a lot of ground. He did it. Very nervous time. And he holds on to it. Oh, he's still alive. He will never miss that catch. I know that. Omar Shah in Sweden. Now the burden is on Riaz. There we go. Riaz start again. That's Riaz's favorite shot. He just takes
In the ball.
and then smash it over the mid wicket.
It was a catch.
If he stays for
How
another
did he
3-4
change?
overs, I'm sure we will. But it's all being clarified now. Now everybody's eyes on Riaz. Can you do it again?
White ball.
It's a white ball and they ran for 1, so 5 runs off that ball, 5 runs. 5 runs of the last ball.
Wicket.
It's a boundary.
Last ball. Last ball. அது டெட் பாலா கால் பண்ணிதானே இந்த பால் எடுத்து போடு இந்த இர்ஃபான் ஓகே
As long as Riaz is there, I'm sure they have a good hope. Another 3 overs and 1 ball left. Plenty to go. Long way to go. Oh, it's a miss. Is to bowl the 4th over. So far, he's been very economical in this tournament. But he's up against Riaz. That was a juicy pull toss. Riaz missed. Reynolds to rear.
Not out.
Good run. Very quick between the wicket and Omar Shah. They managed
Leg
to
gum packet again. Kettu paru.
So far
Yeah.
this over only 1 run, 2 balls. Reynolds to Omar Shah. Another dot ball. Brazil is staying way behind the wicket to make sure he's not going to miss any.
One.
Make sure it's only 1. Ajir again to field. You won't get killed with Ajir. He's really pumped up today.
Want to go?
What a good over so far.
White ball.
White ball.
Over.
Line.
What a shot. He connected well. 6.
Ola ball orudu. Ha.
That's pushed the score to 40.
White ball.
Another white. Are they going to run for the 2? So that's 5 runs off that ball. 5 runs off that ball. Score should be 45. 45. Another 6 from Riaz. You don't bowl short on the leg to Riaz. He's so good at it. You can't get away bowling short on the leg to Riaz. He's bowling so powerful. He has mastered that shot. Another catch. Another wicket goes down. Last ball of the over. Lucy Farm Super Kings has lost 4 wickets. 4 wickets. Ali meets to the crease. Little sweep. They're going to run for the third. Settle for 2. What a ball, what a ball. Swing and a miss for the first ball. Are they going to go for 2? Are they going to make it for 2? They're coming back for the 2. Throw comes in. Not out. Umpire said not out. Good run. For those who don't know Oman Shah, especially when a special diet regime he took 4-5 months ago just to make sure he's fully fit for the LLPL.
Wait.
He sacrificed.
Okay.
He stick to his diet plan. Yes! Oh, it's a swing and what a good ball again. 2 more balls to go. Score is 55. 55. Still 2 more balls to go. 56. 2 more balls to go. Usually final, semi-final, they're always a low-scoring match. Yes! Another catch! No. Last ball.
Watch out, stay on the line, eh?
This inning. Swing and a miss. What an over from to win. 57 to win.
Hey!
A dot ball.
விக்கெட் அடிக்கிறது முடிவட்டா நல்லா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா வேணுமா நோ எங்களுக்கு போதாது
Risky done it again. He done it again. He's been taking wickets every over. He took 2 wickets last over. Last match, first over, he took 2 wickets. Already taken 1 wicket with his second ball. The explosive, dangerous Ansar making his way to the middle. I'm sure Renosis keeps saying to stay at the crease. Risky to Ansar. White ball, 4 runs. 3 balls, 4 runs.
Brother, ball பண்ணிட்டு வெளியே போங்க.
இப்போ இங்கல வாங்க. ரெட் ஃபிளாக் ப்ளீஸ்.
Risky to another dot ball. Last ball of the over. So far only one wide. Oh, superb ball. What a ball. Thank you very much. Litter bags are provided all over the ground. Please put them in the litter bag.
Wait,
I'm not quite sure where he was trying to go. The pressure of semi-final gets to everyone. The pure pressure of semi-final gets to everyone. He doesn't even know where he's throwing his ball.
Okay, man.
Very reliable fielder. He was going to change his bat. Oh, he's got a choice of 3 bats.
Three more to go. Okay, ready?
Muzammil to Reynolds. That's 6. That's 6. He's 6.
Oh, sorry.
That's released a low pressure from Ickney Lions. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Yes, it is. Reynolds goes. Ickney Lions lose the second wicket, and Mubarak taken the second catch of the match.
Come on, you can do this. Come on.
I lost count how many catches Mubarak has taken.
Let's put your in now.
Quite a few.
Length nalla me. Adhe length ingala vechikenda sir. ஒரு பால் தானே இது.
Isham ace to face.
நல்லா செஞ்சாங்க இத.
I think the Ickney Lions
Last ball.
now depend a lot on Ansar.
I faced one, he faced two.
Isham is to face.
Little in. Middle.
Muzammil.
No ball.
That's a no ball.
Over.
Mubarak is bowling to Ansar.
Under.
Down to the long one. Just for a single. The pressure is still there. Only 19 runs so far. Chasing 57 to win. Semi-finals, finals always mostly low-scoring matches.
Under.
Good fielding there by
Okay.
Leslie. This only gave away 1. He's suffering with the pain. Guys, can you please not send this football to the ground? Mubarak to Ansar. Oh, good ball. Another 2 balls to go in this over. Only gave away 2 runs so far. Another dot ball. The pressure is there. 4 balls, just 2 runs. Last ball of the over. Only 20 runs on the board. The pressure is building for Icknield Lions. I think that's going to run down to the 4. It's gone for 4. All the 4th over. So far, they've done a great work with the bowlers. They all had a very good spell with the bowling. Let's see what Nalin can do. What a ball bowled in! Beautiful ball! They lose their 3rd wicket. What a start to the over. Sarfaraz is next. That was a beautiful delivery. Completely bamboozled the batsman. 33 required of 14 balls. 33 required of 14 balls. But 2.5 runs for a ball. Icknield Lions need a good over. Down to the long on, just a single. They won't dare run when the ball is in Riya's hands. Very sensible batting by Sarfaraz. Keep the strike rotating. Keep the strike as much as you can join Ansar. Is there 6? Yes, it is.
Inna.
Icknield Lions heavily rely on Ansar.
2 to come.
It's a boundary. 35 runs so far.
Take your time. Beat one down. Wicket ready, bro.
Another 6. Icknield Lions having a good over. Well instructed. Another 6. 10 runs remaining and 9 balls left. Rasil's dream of lifting the Champion Cup this year is getting closer. He's still alive and Nine runs to win. 8 balls left. Captain is shouting from here. Ansar, stay. Gone. Oh, it's a twist. What a prize wicket. But they still have Irfan, Rasil, oh, the captain himself. Runs required. Only one. Good over. They got the prize wicket of Rasil, the captain, taken the responsibility of coming out to bat.
What?
Russia is away wide. 7 runs, 5 balls. 7 runs, 5 balls.
మేలు 3 కేలు
Score for 4. Brazil did it. 3 more to win. 4
No.
balls, 3 runs. If the Indian Lions lose from here, they have nothing to blame but for themselves. They made it so easy now. They just had to lose, to keep their head cool. 3 balls, 3 runs. I'm not sure why these batsmen are trying to go for sixes when they need 3 runs, 3 balls. Omar Shah to Brazil. 2 runs, 3 balls. Sorry, 2 balls, 3 runs. I'm getting excited. I'm getting all mixed up as well now. Can Brazil do it? Just 1 shot away from a place in the final. Just 1 shot away from the finals for Brazil. Has he done it? Has he done it? Listen to the fielders, please.
No.
Is the fielders' decision? Can the spectators please leave the ground? Clear the ground, spectators. Come on, players. Can you come inside the 2026? Sarfraz is going to run for his life. Omar Shah. They won the match. They took a place in the final. 57.